Using our redefined AmpMD system is fast, easy, and comfortable.
To start, think of your face as being divided into sections: forehead, right side, left side, chin, and neck.
Roll over each section 4 to 10 times, changing directions with each pass, up and down, then side to side, and then finally diagonally. This is stimulating the skin for a firmer, more youthful-looking appearance.
Now use moderate and comfortable pressure. Don't be timid, but there's no added advantage to crushing your face either. If it takes you longer than a minute, you're probably overdoing it.
After rolling, rinse the roller with very warm running water. We also recommend using a purification tablet to clean your roller 2 to 3 times a week.
Now respect the micro needles. Our roller is constructed of the highest quality stainless steel micro needle tips, so always store the roller in the cap of the cleansing vial or in the clear case.
Do not place your roller directly on hard surfaces or countertops. Now that's how we roll.
Here's to the best spent minute in skincare.